guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Now disgrace come. These people, my lovely, amazing people. And you see, they have to travel all the way from the United States of America to go and get disgrace arrested. Okay? Disgrace is a criminal. Happy criminal day to you, disgrace. Okay? We are going to play lots of audio today. Me, now do I can play today? I'm doing my egg roll. My egg roll is on fire. So you can see. See the way they sing. Jesus. Sing good. So, I want you guys to see this outcome, the outcome of my egg roll. Okay? Oh. Hey, now wow, the pot is too tight, too full. I don't give her space at all. So I need to turn now. When I show now the outcome, then I will call this video to come back. Make egg roll, make this kids at home for the kids. Kids love it. The other day they do one. I know your fears because they explain alongside. Now make me just do, and today I say no, I will show my people how to make my egg roll. I make them big so that when you take one is enough. You don't need to eat two. So one will be enough. I make it a little bit bigger in size.
Yeah, the egg roll too big. Now the pot too big.
So now my egg roll dey fire so guys. Go dey golden brown, you know. You never ready. I just need to turn them. I need to turn them. Just that I for remove some space. To fit turn them easily. The ones I will put again not go too tight like this.
Yeah.
So I just need to turn, make it done well, reach inside. This egg roll, very sweet, very nice.
Wow.
So I want to see the outcome before I go cut this video. To come back for another audio about disgrace, the scammer. Okay? Disgrace, the scammer. Happy scammer day, disgrace. Happy criminality day to you. Happy hire killer sent to side chick to you. Okay, disgrace. Now your day of shame and disgrace. Enjoy it. Oooh, criminal, highway robber.
Now you are the way for
highway robber. Now people where she stand, where go arrest her for Asaba. Because I just come to the video where they arrest her for Asaba. I never complain. Let's say I play at one time. I don't remember. Bro. This box too tight.
You don't know say too tight. That pot is supposed to take 5.
Sometimes you don't wrap your egg roll well. Your egg go come out. One just come out. Let's say I not wrap her well. So make I show now. If the egg roll done ready, I pack that set before I put the other sets. I go show now so that when I see the outcome. This one are things where we say if you prepare for your children for house, they go enjoy. Not be your children go party, they go eat egg roll. Buff buff. Name it. Not be until they go party. They go enjoy these things. As a mother,
Go for another thing. My egg grow, as egg small reach, go small, it go big, small, it go just, you know, say when you just take one, you just chop one. I'll fry egg. I fry egg. When I fry egg, this year, I don't even fry egg, bro. Plus, I never fry egg, bro. When I say now this thing, now chichi, I do chichi, saute chichi can't have these children. And then you know what I tell like chichi, if you relax, you will throw for mouth. You don't relax. If I do chichi, I know they do spend money to they buy all those things when they throw for mouth. But we'll check whether video they when.
Go and ask those.
Okay, we still don't see this or Paka.
Under, just practice how to do it. Very. When I want to see the ads come, I'll be making off my video for you. Maybe I'll make a picture of it when I'm done. Because this video is already long. Okay, guys. We're never done. You go take golden brown before I go remove her. So I go off the video because of make people feel wash them because it's all long way. So I go off them. The ads come. I go do short video put. So I go see the ads come. But it be so. It never really done. No, it's still in the process. So that's it, guys. And your egg roll, you make sure the oil many full pots.
The egg roll too plenty, sir. This pot
so that it don't go burn. Okay, so I go done well. So thank you all, guys. I will stop this one here. Cheers to disgrace, shame and disgrace day. Cheers to disgrace. Everybody know her now as a scam. She does not interest people anymore as a scam. We know they neglect parents. You see that feeling? Go and ask those that are all by themselves. Even the white people. Mikey, I can understand your state of condition. You are lonely, you are frustrated, you are depressed. You know they tell you welcome. Come. Bye. You know they. If me all carry cloth outside, I all wear cloth outside, they go out. I'll see people will tell you, say, Mommy, bye. Mommy, bye. See you. Love you. Oh. Love you. Oh, but you know they get all these things. And it's really, really frustrating you. If I enter house just now, oh, Mommy, you are welcome. Oh, Mommy, welcome, Mommy. And they go embrace me, they go kiss me. Embrace me.
You get another one. From Victor.
A video where I did not do 4 to 3 months ago, or 2 months ago rather, concerning that video, he said the word that video said. Somebody be one go arrest in Mama. He said some presenter collide, one presenter collide with one person. They want to go arrest him. And I'm listening to remember that video. We are going to that video now.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to expose like about you guys now. Hello guys, are you guys hearing me? Please, if you are hearing me, share this video and give me love and like. This will not be saga. Now reality. As we do live video, so things they happen out of live video. If you don't off camera, things they happen. Some of the things we will talk here, we go to face out. After live video. Yes,
you never know anything.
Okay, remember that video where you say somebody want to arrest him of Nigeria, call the Saga. Say evil presenter, they call the play, call they sing one song. Say one presenter collide with one person to go arrest him. Let's go there. who was the presenter? Edimofi Dausa. Now, how Edimofi Dausa, I suspect, how Adebote suspect Edimofi Dausa? I'm going to sit down. I want to explain.
And that your mama, they will arrest
them. Make it not to take her personal. They can just sit down and listen. Because Edimofi act like animal. Make if let me talk fair for good. No, Mr. Secretary, I chop on that. Put the saga. No, this one, not the saga. Don't put much on the saga. Now, after you watch, don't put much on the saga. This one, because I just sit down in the ear word. Here with no talk. The movie here, sit down here with no this saga. Come out concern when they boy you. Not follow this shady saga. He's got like leave Ajebo for me. Now, when Ajebo make that video, see. One presenter collab with somebody, you want to arrest the family from Nigeria. Exactly, but I will go call, they call the brag, call the rape for that video. This is what happened, my people. We don't know, it was Douglas, which I said Ellen Douglas, where I wanted to sort yesterday, and day before yesterday, where they humiliate, they saw our enemy, know the shit.
We know.
Because they think, say, Helen Douglas, if you are feeding you with information, like they beat up on that. Small picking. No, go on. So, when people, what's happening, we say, at the risk of it, Ajebo started talking anyhow to Madam Itowan Douglas, who is the founder of International Ladies Club. You all know that club, where Ajebo was the patron of that club. Last 2 years, when I was sangling Ajebo was demoted, removed as the patron of International Ladies Club. Okay. Now, you get angry.
Now you know why I tell they got other person when they want carry.
Only plot
Other person don't know when they want carry.
Oyogi
When
community.
is useless Ajebo.
Ajebo have 50 by 100 in Oyogi community. When I see them, I share this video. Make I clean as possible.
Wait, man, find pictures. When we get here, we not get where we
recently. That 100 by 50 by 100 by the Oyogi community. Ajebo just put one block for self foundation. You understand? As I big foundation, they work for cripples, they can't put one, they can't lay one block of ground, they drafted the building, which was just small thing, about 4 or 6 rooms. Then, until Ajebo met, they come across Itowan Douglas, who is the founder of International Ladies Club, and who is the mother of Ajebo Orphanage Home.
Okay.
Who also the patron, the sponsor of Ajebo Orphanage Home. People are listening. Now, Ajebo did not have a home. Ajebo mother is a side chick to Ajebo father. Guys, sit down and listen very carefully and share this video. Let it go over. I'm going to tell you the history of Ajebo and the family.
Hey!
Ajebo mother is a side chick. Is not a wife to Ajebo father. So Ajebo is a single mother's son. So, when Ajebo father was died, Ajebo father had a house. Ajebo mother was not recognized in the family because he was not married according to custom and tradition. Guys, share this video.
And if I beat women for them.
Ajebo mother was not married according to custom and tradition. So he was not new. He was not even recognized with the children. So Ajebo has no pain from his father.
Okay, where for put it? Okay, thank you.
So guys, that's the reason Ajebo has been moving his which makes his children become wayward. Which makes Ajebo to enter Koroto work. We are from one. Is that they do Koroto? Now Koroto work and they forgive Ajebo. The reason why Ajebo, that name came up Ajebo, was because he had a very nice body, even though he was suffering. Inside that suffering, you will not see it in his face. When you pull his shirt, body go find and say, ah, you get a body, you get a body. But not saying this suffer, they look a lot of. Look a lot of the shirt, the job up. They put up for you. So I fellow come to like I give a jebo. As that they come up a jebo. You can take us name a jebo. Now, from there, go to the court. You're going to do a ticket, or the ticket, or you go to follow them. Then, what's this man name? What's this guy name now? The guy in the UK. This chairman, the guy in the UK now, the guy that come up once time for live video. Usually, the time of what's it called? Tori London. Understand? Kasala. Yes. Understand? Don't do complain. I can't fake the tickets in there. I like Kasala. Then go win. Understand? Ajebo, the Kasala, the Nepal. Understand? Don't fake tickets follow the only. There. This is about the French glory. We can call UK. They can call Europe. Glory now come enter Europe. Glory parents they beat at the body and they don't at the body. They don't ask at the body. I want to glory. Before who's this all? Glory enter John. From the Russian with John. No matter the Miss Saga. Why we talk strong at the ball? They know the shot. They know they fall the shot. Mr. President, they rest the big pass something. Then glory enter Europe. Glory you decide at the bottom. Nobody flare the fire. The same thing. They want to go into the glory. For people who are doing take care of the boy Chan. You never carry with parents, flag a book on boyfriend, normally they happen like that now. Maybe that law, if you will not take care personal, understand? Maybe that law will carry glory, carry the book home, and this makes this come better for them. Before we do that, go to sleep, who are the old brother? Everyone. Go carry everyone come abroad. Yeah. That one, everyone pay, everyone balance and normally. Understand? Even now, small, now we fight at all. Everyone pay the money, understand? And how come we pay finish? And this is my cast on happy Sunday and happy Oktoberfest. Understand? So, glory, only leave it at the blah blah. People will leave that glory issue. Let's go straight to what happened.
Yeah, go straight.
Now, when you know it on Douglas, it on Douglas comes to say, Ajebo not get where it is still. If Ajebo go Nigeria, now it on Douglas has and it's for Upper Mission Station. You understand? It's on Douglas waiting for Upper Mission Station. They can kill and look at the people and say everything about only the exposure. You will see something about the exposure. So they want to split into a house each time you go Nigeria. So you get a point, it was okay now. This is financial because that woman as soon as it like me help less privileged. And what want to say if you go Nigeria, if they buy things, food stuff, could they give people? And it was about to open up and do by herself.
Me with food.
She was about to open up and do by herself. That love of say him into to saying girl manager come make it to like Ajebo. So okay, no problem. Let's just do this thing together. Since you're not going to put this people, can I come my house and back flat from my house not party? Let Ajebo will come into the house. The front flat, Ajebo will be back flat. And they give Ajebo and the mother. Because of the love of a mother who that woman gets. Can I woman come for your house? Free of charge, can people. They place Ajebo mama for payroll, monthly payroll of 40,000 naira. Guys, listen, 40,000 naira every month. He was paying Ajebo mother a salary of 40,000 naira. That is it to Douglas every month, and he was also paying Ajebo elder brother 40,000 naira every month. That's what I'm listening. This is the woman we're in the insult now. This is the woman we say we no, by why so.
I see when Ghana enter abroad, you see they
we are married, we are married, we are going to the trading trade. And then, this woman is not only stop there. When this woman knew that the woman has no house, this woman have to call the rich your Kagere or community, Louis. Was Louis there now? Not Louis something about.
Guys, see, our recipe is ready.
Now 100.
Enjoy with me.
The International Ladies Club, guys, listen. I have a proof here with me.
We know, I want to start with the thought that they now say.
Join hands together.
May I forget?
To start building a duplex in the back. They build a big house in the front for the children, orphanage home. For Ajabo. Unknowingly to them. When they clear okay, this time around, Izobo Ibadan was a native daughter, was the godfather of Ajabo. Are you guys getting it? You guys know that we are with the same frequency now.
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Now, Ajabo was happy because these women were building a house for Ajabo, unknowingly to them, without their clear eye. What happened? The shocking story is this: how come the house was not collected from Ajabo? Now, when I burst into the history of Ajabo, start with Saga Ajabo, Saga the International Ladies Club, start sagaring all these women around Ajabo, and they start saying truth about what I was saying. They start saying fact about what I was saying. Before they know what is happening, I start bringing out proof of what I'm saying. Most people this Saga will do so, but you have proof of what you are saying. It's false. And Ajabo was go so crazy with his wife. Yeah. Then Ajabo was demoted from being a patron of International Club.
Oh.
A lot of things, he's trying to do a lot of things.
Never done. Well, I can't drop
With me, I'm blocking. Okay, don't block her.
Come now.
Yes, no, read comments.
The machine too far.
I read comments steady. Any bad comment I block her. So, then, when I listen,
They listen.
before we know what they happen, Ajabo started losing a lot of things from that woman. And the story started going on around that the woman was sleeping with, Ajabo was sleeping with the woman. Which I still said on my platform. Even as I'm talking to you, I still stay in court. Attitude is still in court. You understand? Now listen. Okay, I can see the boy here. Okay. That's good. Please sit down and listen. You go back, sit down and listen. I'm going to say you know. And I'm saying you just go and listen. So when these two was going in that, I was speaking with Ituna Douglas. Then, it didn't come up, and they wanted to debunk it on social media. And I said, okay, if it is true, and you will come and if it's not true, come and debunk it, and I wanted to debunk it. And I was insisting that Helen Douglas also called him. And she got that woman angry, and everything got escalated to go back to Nigeria, go to the native daughter, invite at the team for native daughter, native daughter also make a statement that goes wrong, and he was being flogged in the palace. Didn't just stop there.
Oh.
And the governor decided to tell Ajabo to pack out his house. I give that order. On my platform, Ajabo must leave our community. And the governor says, okay, that's true, that's what make peace for you. Ajabo have to pack out. And people, guess what? When Ajabo wants to pack out the house, Ajabo came down with nothing. That house was where, that flat was where they cute. Before Ajabo packed in the house. When Ajabo was leaving the house, Ajabo packed everything in the house. Both the fan, the bed, the refrigerator, the chairs. Ajabo stole everything in the house. And packed out. Now, why do we find ourselves in the courts? As a softener, Ajebo was in the courts. So how did Ajebo find himself in the courts? Ajebo mother was arrested. Ajebo elder brother was arrested. In CCID. By stealing everything in the house. Happy house. As I'm talking to you now, the bed where Ajebo mother sleep is in CCID. As an evidence of the stuff they stole from Ito and Douglas. Thank God Vivian is here watching.
No.
And I believe the husband is almost there listening. Because today you're not going to work this Sunday.
Okay.
Understand? You'll be in the house or be in the bed with your husband now, watching me talking. Oooh is talking right now. That's my name. And the name makes me for me. So my people, when the arrest things come up, that was when I made a statement on the live video and said,
my sister.
one presenter joined somebody before arresting Mama. And who was that presenter was so special was Eddie Murphy. Now, how did Eddie Murphy come into this issue? Let me tell you guys. Unfortunately, Eddie Douglas took a lawyer who is fighting the case right now. And that same lawyer unfortunately become the same lawyer who Eddie Murphy is using to arrest people. Parents. The same lawyer who Eddie Murphy is also a lawyer to Eddie Murphy in the house, which Eddie Murphy in the house is using to petition people's parents in Nigeria, was the same lawyer Ito Douglas used to petition Aramea welfare. So when Aramea find out, he was not thinking, Eddie Murphy was the one that introduced Ito Douglas to the lawyer. That was the reason why I came up on live video and said somebody presenter collides with someone else. He didn't mention any Douglas name on social media because of security reasons.
If you come for Facebook, she know the
was someone else.
Once you come out, you go get peace.
Arrest his family back home. The family was arrested, spent 4 days in police custody. The elder brother of Ajebo was in police custody with the state CID for good 4 days. Ajebo couldn't bail the brothers.
You don't get money.
Ajebo was begging. Ajebo was begging. The mother was begging. The mother was crying. The mother is crying and insulting Vivian. That Vivian want to kill his son. All the son is passing through now is because of Vivian.
Mama,
the evil woman he got married.
Your victim. No one go
Ajebo
like
could
the
not say anything because Ajebo and Vivian had a contact. They had a secret bond that bound them together. You know why? Because of the man they killed.
Yeah.
The husband that he was married to. Because Ajebo know what's
This
happening.
one a new video, not be old one.
They know what they are hiding.
Maybe I'm doing anything now.
Now,
How
Ajebo
they do live video?
is angry right now, bitterly angry. Coming out to Sanga Helen. Coming out to Sanga Ito and Douglas.
I bet.
He want to become a man now.
If I know where mama has, they don't tell me.
And it's so constructive of his words is using on Sabbath space right now. Because of the case in the court. Get before yesterday, Ajebo played a voice record to Helen Douglas, pleading, begging
Oh, my people.
to
I
please
don't know
withdraw
my
the case
people
from
to
the
always say they
court.
know they see the body when they chop and food. May Allah
To
for make you
please
lose weight.
withdraw the case from the
And you
court.
know me a back.
My people,
People.
and then I'm saying, come on. The audio you play to Helen Douglas, the audio you play to apologize, come and play it on that video.
Or you play it.
If I'm lying,
Or you play
come
it.
out and play it on media.
Or you play it.
If I am lying against you,
Or you play it. That's it.
you see, some of you guys who are watching us here, you guys are very careful because some of the things you don't know about presenters is much that you want to see on social media. And the one is whining, and the one is suffering and smiling.
We know now.
He got things here, like saying, be okay.
For
Mama,
me,
be
not
okay.
okay.
Mama, be okay.
Mama,
And then be okay.
Oh, yeah.
You You don't feel so. I didn't say the girl wash. Ajebo mother also play record, pleading on behalf of Ajebo and the children.
I don't know. I make her the suffer.
Please withdraw the case from the court. If Vivian is the bad head of the family, since Vivian entered in son life, his son life never stay with you. Vivian want to kill the big for you.
Now lie. Now Ajebo no good. He married the first one, problem. He married the second one, problem. Who no go good so? Now Ajebo won't done no. He don't want go work. And they see for the comments, where Vivian for put comment say make from Victor go work. The video don't almost reach 200 and something. Now I can say the message when supposed to send give Ajebo, now they send go give Victor. Victor they go work. Ajebo go day house. That is lazy man. Lazy man can scatter family. Now he enter Vivian family can scatter am.
Vivian, Ajebo on the same money to give him for her kids. If not for Henry Douglas, who put the mother on a payroll, monthly payroll, and the same time with his elder brother. No one asked Ajebo how they take bail the brother for prison. The brother was arrested. Ajebo not see money bring come, but they take bail the brother.
Don't get now.
The brother spent 4 days for police custody.
Oh, 4 days.
You see, a dog his mother was arrested. A dog he cried out.
Yes.
The general public reason and put in their effort to make sure Inoki mother never sleep prison. Ajebo, based on pittiness, that was when and because of the old age of Ajebo mother, they don't arrest the mother. Instead, they arrest the brother, the elder brother. Ajebo, you make the elder brother spend 4 days police station. And that's all my case. And that's all my case. When I see life, the same Ajebo, now they insult Ellie Douglas.
Okay. Now if they insult me,
this thing they tell Ajebo say they don't mention me for social media.
He went for man on him.
No, he don't
win
know.
now. Now
So
to
they
that
say
they
go
ya
there.
win now.
Make them withdraw case from police custody. Make them withdraw case from courts. Ajebo get case on the 20-something of this month.
Oh, what they like to about what? So what they my sister you don't laugh.
2 days to I beg you to.
No so.
He make a record. And Douglas pleading.
When I come, musician use me sing. It's so
Because
tight.
this is the
They do like
implication
small pikin.
behind the case. The accusation, in the list, I say, he will go for it. He will pay for damages.
And the man wey thief €3,000 wey no gree pay, the man go sue arrest am. Remain small. Oji. No say I tell am say you don't get house in Nigeria na person house in the street. No say I tell you. No be the person dey talk.
Story of
We
my Shema. We know the tell you.
You go tell us. Abeg, may I tell myself don't check. Oh, I don't tell myself don't check.
Wetin dey pass through somebody? For social media, pride. Wetin put that for this person? Pride.
When I know say I do video, I come to say somebody, one woman, tell me everything about Ajebo. Ajebo no get house for Nigeria, no get where na person house they sleep like a day na winch. Oh, Ajebo have been this Europe for 26 years now, 25. Another 25 years now. Now Ajebo don spend for Europe. Oh wow. Now come on, I caught up with you, so come on. The English people say Kama is a bitch. They come and walk caught up with him. So I am my personal person from Victoria Guan. No say from Victor no make nyaga for year. Everything went from Victor they talk for year. Now truth, one woman don't fair call me, tell me. As I do video now, I cut out making, because I know the truth too much bring something out like that. You know, this man now, nothing wey dey fit help himself for. Only wetin he go just know. Just sit down, Ajabome, no gay. Now musicians sing musical. He no go listen to the music. Or I feel like but Ajabome, no gay. Ajabome, no gay. Mama, you messing one me? I see one now. I love the care. Yeah, don't remember me. I see one. No, for it don't come back. It come back. Now time badness now they worry. See the way when this guy so free they treat your case. On my ballet they yo. I go fien, I go fien, I go rio. Tell us see the way we just sit down. Oh, see Victor me one. See oh, all your barrow mo. Oh, Victor. Oh, I got a barrow mo. It right on down. Happy Sunday to you, my love. How you doing? You never consist. Where you go? I don't they cook a kusu. No, a kusu. Because me and they say a kusu. They tell me say no be a kusu, na a kusu.
Right. The God who left my married bad woman.
He said, when I
The
go
God
bring my
who left
this
my married my enemy. And the one got married to his enemy, which is Vivian. Vivian is a bad wife. Vivian will be a woman who not married. Woman will go enter your life, go draw you down. No way enter your life, your helper will run for you. That's a bad wife.
Which one they born inside?
I said, when you make the statement, say that woman will be American, I don't want to come here and do class. See, I'm so much happy. See, we don't really get quarrel. I don't block her before I see this house, before I rent this
He
apartment.
dey lie now. That
With my
time,
own money.
he say,
And the 50 shilling
I say my
shilling
nakedness can't give am.
in children waiting for social media when they make ones. If you don't come talk now, you don't know what you do, they will tell you.
Because lovely say nakedness can't give you you don't value.
So it's unfortunate to say,
Well,
it's so shocking. Say the children, they're not talking. Now you can't talk. You want to use a salami? I lie. Bro, now me use my money rent house. Every day says within this house, now me use my money buy a small and I'm rich.
now so I can't
You
do
don't feel
it.
so?
Not be one day that they buy something.
That one house.
Now small.
You don't feel me?
I put water.
Never hear me now. We're going to walk you over. You will camp you over. We're coming and we're going to go.
Now so every day I don't cook am finish. But I don't cook okra. Maybe I don't know. Maybe next tomorrow now cook okra. I don't tire.
You know the whole. And we are with children. It's social media. When order the baby. One.
What did I send?
This is what we're talking about. See the phone which was contract to come to my house and refused.
What did you say I sent? You said that for dream I sent. I'm waiting. Oh my God.
I refused.
I'm not tired. I made this seat done. May I go
Come to
sleep?
see
I'm
you.
not
I
tired.
refused. This is what I'm asking about. The first time I was single, I refused. I stood my ground. Look my guy. That's me for you. These are things you will know the art of life be about me. I don't live fake life. If me tell you, the man will go away. You know, things God can use your enemy to bless you. Some people do like offer and omega. Let them live with peace. And see how your life will look like. So when they help you, they're going to do for you. Will cause something else to you if you don't use brain.
Nonsense, man.
You know, things so.
How come you don't useless?
And they will see your life. And after you see, it's the one that he not help me. He helped me during my father was still alive. During my father's burial, yes, he really helped me. Fine. Of course, you get definitely assistance. He was in a position to help me. You have to do that. Which is clear. And when you see you all use this camera. What feel now? But it got to a point that he was taking the head like she's the head of my life. Then I'm going to know your class, know your position.
Thank you, my mommy. Ask me,
So if you refuse to
don't
stay
ask
down,
me.
you pack us.
As I don't be so. Not be say he get money, poor man.
So have dignity.
Not be man when he get money.
If you
Poor
refuse
man.
to stay down, you pack us.
You know they say poor man, not
in the life of
my
the
body
man.
not they stand for where
But the
poor
first thing
man
that
dey.
you know, woman in your life is the owner.
You know wetin, he see I say he no get anything when he go talk, when he go wave me. And he look say this kind thing, they never nobody don't fake come talk am for my body. Na him make am come. And he come say if he talk am, people will collect am for am. And people know say no be lovely you see. Me, poor man. I try well since yesterday. I try. Now next tomorrow now I cook okra because okra I must cook am. If it be say tomorrow now I fit cook okra in the evening because I like semo well. I not chop semo yesterday. I not see chop semo today. No, tomorrow I must chop semo. But the soup when I cook that day, garden soup, it still dey inside fridge. But I don't tire. If I tire for soup like that, I no dey fit use am take eat again. Or till if the soup won't bring me again. Now the kind of broke ass man. And they create broke ass man when woman put for house. I just do my nakedness, go give am. Wetin I wan get for inside. Because they lie. I say, I bet bro, talk about that thing. And the people when they watch, I know say na lie, they lie. And that thing when he just say talk, now he can just kill career. No be even say he get money. Broke ass man. Yeah.
Is the owner of your skill.
Remain small, make this thing done. May I work out. Don't tire too.
Don't let woman
Now sleep now, just they go. So if I
don't
feel
get
in
it,
that
don't
bedroom, bath.
Man gets it. Man get bedroom. Or you say a wife. A bedroom like a woman. When the woman try to come to your city room, my brother, you're finished. Automatically you have become the woman. He's not the man. See what see the predicament we did now. I'm not going to say that the predicament we did now. Case court case where you don't get now. When the helper, person will help you for life. You are you.
If you make another go Nigeria, if you go Nigeria now, you go gog for there. They go arrest him.
You go hard you on the view. Because the view will done. He came to your life to frustrate you.
He not very good before.
You leave woman wey born to for you. The same person you still use as rodeo. You still come meet for that single mother, widow for that matter. When you still tell you still do wrong work. As soon as you come out for life,
they carry woman go.
they pikin wey you born to. When they carry, they no go stand for red light. When police come pause the red light, they not run leave you back. Police no come and come collect the residents. This one is true story.
Okay.
She should come on the line and say it. Now you can come on and say, "Oh, you can is not married woman. But probably that. How many times you want to say that? Who gonna you can be here for me? C'est parce que on s'est dit et puis j'ai que des mots. Donc on le voit. Il sent
God bless you, sir. Widow.
Il que vient la vie là. Voilà ça. Il y a un word. We have muscle for shape, for everything, in terms of reasoning, compose you. You understand? We might never know there. When the children will tell you more about the mothers. It's only wise and a good mothers that train all those kind of children. That can come boldly on social media. Speak to them on the word right. That alone tell you the kind of woman that woman. Okay?
So you miss service for church. Now Facebook on I come service.
You see how stupid you guys are? That one be doing things without looking at the sun all this one. When they see another share, another like.
That is Baba when they smile.
But when it comes to Sanga, no call no Yekevi. Yekevi, no call no say Kevi, no they call Kevi they exist. I will be, I was the bobo. So that boy they post something, they part our customer tradition. Some of them don't even watch. Some of them they use my own children tablets, search for that. Make my children learn. Evil set of people.
And honest belief. The glory cloud a cause place. Glory place a cause on him. Okay, glory place a cause on him. Evil.
You carry, and we carry, and we carry. But we don't know no way. As such an imagine. Oh no way.
Okay, the girl went married before.
You repeat it.
Nah, Gloria that they call her. Gloria placed a cause on.
Yeah, no fear, no woman, no view. Who want to close the court case? I put the court case, please. I just want to say, I saw you. The man you do what you. Hey, I'm your boy. I want to get beg. We're begging names. I'm not going to do. You peradventure maybe vient de votre nom. Ou the young are conseil on convient. Quelqu'un n'a conseil on et dit ouais et après de oui et après vous conseil. On dit on regarde de regarder on y a le niveau et le paye. Il y a go oui. Quand on a nous ya. On a fait un asbo.
It is every day. Like, you know what, because he said from Victor they talking matter. He come to say if he dey like scream from Victor will come out. You know say that one he dey late. He say from Victor at the about they like scream.
We are abolish. Why mosquito net you get the moon and out there. Oh my chaos. God got working to make money for you guys to live. Upon what you clean go down. Charge me every time how you fear go. Serious even and bad energy. Fake life in my life.
So at the buffer.
Why you want the quarry party at home? Why did I? So what have you, Yamagili? For how long are you continue to be living this kind of life? We are what you will.
And this is a person, no dancing, damn to fin, Susano Tori, the Wahia, the Siku, or Senalam, we're sorry, and alone. The Missiku, everything, and alone, why go there, the desert. Okay, we are.
What of you?
What of you?
Adaba, what of you? Not be today. Go reach today. All your men wey don't give head. All of them know they give head again. You see they give head. Come reach today. You see they talk. Anyway, you laluwe. See as all your teeth don't rot people for inside mouth. Eh? This one, yeah, all locked door, it don't run. Yeah. My people, may I leave you now. Make I go rest more, because the something don't done. No say I test am just now. Tomorrow I fit no, maybe tomorrow I fit cook soup because I must cook that soup. If I not cook am for Facebook, but I will not say I cook am out of Facebook. May I go rest because today when be Sunday I manage am. I want to use my Sunday pay the work. Let me go and rest. Thank you for being here, for helping me to do my cooking. See you. May I check maybe next tomorrow or Tuesday. Maybe on Tuesday I will cook my okra soup. But on Tuesday, if I'll patient. Now, bye. Thank you all. Love you. Now.